And here's I will show you how to change Bluesky social handle or username. Go ahead and open Bluesky and log into your account. Now tap on this hamburger menu and here tap on settings, tap on account. Under account settings, tap on handle and now tap on this new handle box and go ahead and write a new name for your Bluesky account. And now just tap on save. And here if you see this error handle already taken, please try a different one. Then go ahead and add a unique handle or username. And this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.